Welcome to Besto LMS, your gateway to staying connected with your child's education. In this video, I'll give you a quick walkthrough of the Parents Dashboard and its main features. Once you log in, you'll see the Parent Dashboard. Here, you can access important school contacts, monitor your child's performance, view the latest school announcements, and quickly track various activities. In the Performance section, select your child to see their subject-wise performance, upcoming exams, and detailed exam results. The Attendance section lets you track your child's attendance records. In the Teacher section, you'll find contact information for your child's teachers. The Message section allows you to send messages directly to the relevant subject teachers. Finally, in the Fee Management section, you can view pending dues, payment history, and the fee structure. You can conveniently pay fees online or use the record payment option to easily manage your child's fee payments. Besto LMS, bridging parents and schools seamlessly.